its regal mane and powerful physique, radiates an aura of authority. The hyena, with its hunched shoulders and haunting laugh, exudes an air of opportunism. The battle begins with a roar that reverberates through the savannah, a primal declaration of intent from the lion. The hyena, undaunted, rash unfolds. We witness the lion's incredible speed and precision. With a single leap, it closes the gap between itself and the hyena, its massive paws striking like lightning. The hyena, however, is no pushover. It displays a remarkable agility, dodging the lion's attacks with an uncanny ability to slip through the big cat's grasp. The savannah becomes the theater of an intricate dance, with each move, feint, and countermove, revealing the true nature of these animals' strengths and weaknesses. The lion's raw power and crushing jaws meet the hyena's endurance and relentless, the king of beasts. The lion, in all its glory, reveals the limits of its strength when confronted by a determined adversary. As the sun sinks below the horizon, both combatants begin to tire. The hyena clan, sensing an opportunity, closes in, and the lion, realizing that the odds are shifting, makes a strategic retreat. The savannah, once again, falls silent, bearing witness to this timeless duel. What we've witnessed is not just a battle of physical prowess, but a testament to the adaptability and tenacity of nature's most formidable creatures. In the wild, survival is a relentless struggle, and it's a testament to these animals' strength that they continue to thrive in the face of such challenges. Or the mighty roar of a lion. Remember this epic battle on the savannah, where the lion and the hyena remind us of the unyielding spirit of the animal kingdom.